Okay, use a system of linear equations with 2 variables and 2 equations to solve. All right, we got 320 students enrolled in a freshman level chemistry class. By the end of the semester, 7 times the number of students passed as failed. Find the number of students who passed, find the number of students who failed. Since I have to use 2 variables, I believe I will use P for pass and F for fail. So I've got 320 students. Some of them pass, some of them fail, but altogether that adds up to 320. So P is the number of students who pass, fail, F is the number of students who fail, and there's 320 students altogether. So that's equation number 1, 300 students. Okay. Equation number 2, it says by the end of the semester, 7 times the number of students passed as failed. So the number of students that passed was 7 times the number that failed. Most people want to put F equals 7P, but it's actually P equals 7F, because 7 times the number of students passed as failed. So however many students failed, you'd have to multiply that times 7 to get the number that passed. And now what I'm going to do is, since P equals 7F, I'm going to take that 7F and I'm going to stick it right here where that P is, so that I have 7F plus F equals 320. And when I combine like terms, 7Fs plus 1 more F would be 8Fs. And then to solve for, we're out of room here, to solve for F, you're going to take your 8F and you're going to divide off the 8. And of course, what you do to one side of an equation, you got to do to the other. So I'm going to divide the other side by 8. And that cancels. And 320 divided by 8 is 40. So over here, 40 students failed. Now, if 40 students failed, all I'd have to do is take that back up to here and solve this equation now for P. P plus the 40 that failed equals the 320. So I'm going to subtract 40. Are you laughing at me, little girl? No. What? Okay. So, sorry, I'm talking to my daughter. She's making faces over there. Is it my voice? No, I'm not. So P equals 80. Wait a minute, not 80. 280. I'm not very good at math. I'm sorry. All right, so that's it. I'm done. Woohoo!